Halo semuanya, ketemu lagi sama gua Nicholas Diego. Hi everybody, Nicholas in here. So, today I'm with my friends. I got Andy.
Yeah, hello. Nice to meet you guys.
And then also Aji. Aji is here. Okay, so we're going to see sunset. Okay, in one of beach in Nagura Bay. Oke semuanya. Jadi gua udah sama teman gua udah ada Andi Indonesia kok.
Indonesia kok.
Terus udah ada Aji. Kalau yang udah nonton video gua, ini ada Aji. Oke, kita mau lihat sunset di pantai di Nagura. Oke, pantainya semi private, jadinya banyak nggak banyak orang di sini. Jadi cuman kita bertiga. Jadi gue bisa set up hammock di sini sama di sini. Oke. Terus gue rencana udah bikin api juga. Jadi jeleknya di sini apinya nggak boleh api terbuka. Maksudnya nggak boleh bikin di pasir atau dimanapun. Jadi buat triknya ya kita bawa ini, bawa wood stove. Oke. So guys, in this beach is actually semi-private beach, which is like it's not much people come here, so it's only three of us, me and my friends, and then the plan is just to watch sunset, and then I already set up hammock in here and in here, and then just chill to watch sunset while we making fire also. Okay, so if you guys happen to come to Ishigaki and then you guys thinking to make fire, please make sure. Sometimes some beaches you cannot make fire, like open fire, which is you have to bring kind of like wood stove, or you guys can bring the barbecue grill and then just put fires on the top. Okay, so buat semuanya yang penasaran, ikutin gua terus. Okay. We just finished watch sunset, and then now we just chill in here making fire, drink beer, and then just go to sleep. Oke, semuanya udah selesai. Lihat sunsetnya. Sekarang tinggal nyantai-nyantai, bikin api. Dan misalnya kalian suka sama video ini, silahkan like dan subscribe. So, if you guys like this video, please click like and subscribe. So, see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.